Yo, people, welcome to my Twitch. Hit that follow button, don't be a bitch. Yo, people, welcome to my Twitch. Hit that follow button, don't be a bitch, okay?
I have a floor castle, so nobody played your game. As I can see, nobody played your game. And I'm gonna be the first one. Let me see, I hope it's not bad level, man. Jelly, don't let me down, man. You know? Guys, it's music. Oh my god. Okay. Are you serious? Okay, Pat. Is this a level which is unbeatable? Because I'm gonna stop playing this shit. Okay, so this level I'm... Okay. Why did you make so hard level, man? Ooh! Oh! This is for a head. And what now? And what now? You see, there is no how? Oh! Are you fucking serious? Is that even possible? Shit! I didn't know that's even possible. I would never figure out that shit, man. No. I would never figure out that, man. What the hell? What now? So I gotta jump on that. Oh, now I understand. We gotta jump like... Oh. Okay, I understand. Okay. Ah! No! No! I got killed by that shit. No, I gotta jump this damn boom. Ay. Shit! I did it, guys! I did it! No, why? No, why? No! Oh, yes! But how am I gonna beat this? No, I blew it. So what now? No, I blew it, man. No! O jebe mu mater. Aj, business. No! No, I was so fucking close! No! Shit! I was so close! Go! Yes! Oh! Pičku materno! Yes! No! Let's go! Let's go! Shit! Oh my god, I fucking did it! Yes! Yeah, we did it, guys! We did it!
You win!
Perfect! Yes!
Yo, people, welcome to my Twitch. Hit that follow button, don't be a bitch. Yo, people, welcome to my Twitch. Hit that follow button, don't be a bitch, okay?